garage where anything
and everything.
it's possible using your imagination. And as you can see, we are near the plunge pool. And we wanted to be creative and add a little detail to it by adding a small waterfall. It is going to measure around 8 feet by 6 feet. We're going to show you the process to it. Don't forget, guys, always safety first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for new uploads, and remember, use your imagination. It's what you like and the styles that you like. See you soon. Enjoy nature. We just did our framing with our 2x4s. Then we screwed in the 716 OSB plywood. And Hector just finishing stapling the 30-pound black paper. Over this is going to be the Duro rock, and then we're going to install our rock veneer. And then we're going to come back to you to show you our finished project.
Go.
So guys, we are here with our final project, the waterfall that we added to our plunge pool. As you can see, this is what we decided to go with. We added a 1.5-inch PVC pipe, and all we did was drill holes in it a couple of inches apart, and our water falls beautifully. I love it, guys. A nice addition to our plunge pool. Woo! Jesus, love it. Always don't forget, somebody's watching. Like these beautiful hummingbirds that decided to make a nest on our weeping willow tree. Hope you guys like our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new upload, guys. Have a safe summer. Enjoy nature. See you soon.